What do I need to disclose to buyers? Everything. Hi, I'm Kimberly Ritter with Homes by the Ritter Group at Carolina One Real Estate. If you are selling your house, you may be asking, what do I need to disclose to the buyers? You need to disclose every malfunction or defect that you know about with any of the mechanicals, any of the appliances, any environmental, structural concerns. I would even suggest disclosing defects or malfunctions that you actually have already repaired. Think of it this way. You cannot disclose too much. If you had a leak and had it repaired, disclose it, even though it is no longer leaking. South Carolina requires all sellers to complete a property disclosure, and if you do not disclose, the buyer can actually come back after closing and sue you for not disclosing a defect.